No one expected Volvo's next big move to depend this heavily on a single vehicle. Yet here we are wondering how one electric crossover suddenly became so important. The Volvo EX60 arrives at a moment when confidence in electric vehicles has cooled, especially in the United States. Volvo knows this better than anyone. After years of steady growth, electric demand slipped by 13% in 2025, creating pressure for a brand that has publicly committed to an electric future. With more than 2.7 million XC60 vehicles sold since 2008, the EX60 is not just another new model. It is a test of whether Volvo can translate past success into an electric era. Despite sharing a familiar name, the EX60 is not a converted gas vehicle. It rides on Volvo's electric-only SPA3 platform, allowing engineers to rethink proportions, packaging, and efficiency without working around an engine or transmission. That decision shows immediately in the design. The shape feels clean and balanced, closely related to the larger EX90, but with subtle details that quietly serve a purpose. One of the most talked about features is the door system. Traditional handles are gone. Instead, Volvo integrates slim winglets into the beltline, helping reduce drag and improve efficiency. The result is a drag coefficient of 0.26, helping squeeze more range from every charge. Wheel sizes range from 20 to 22 inches, while the cross-country version adds extra ground clearance and rugged detailing. Because the EX60 is a dedicated electric vehicle, Volvo also includes a front trunk offering 3.0 cubic feet of storage. Inside, the cabin favors simplicity. Most controls live inside the infotainment system, which Volvo says responds instantly. This model introduces Google Gemini voice assistants, allowing more natural interactions. Audio comes from a Bowers & Wilkins system with 28 speakers. Performance ranges from the rear-wheel drive model producing 369 horsepower to the top trim delivering 670 horsepower. Range reaches up to 400 miles depending on configuration. Charging from 10 to 80% can take as little as 19 minutes, with 10 minutes adding 173 miles of range. Built in Sweden, the EX60 launches in Europe first, with United States deliveries starting later. Competition from BMW and Mercedes is fierce, but the EX60 may be Volvo's most important electric vehicle yet.